I saw this cool Honda Civic photo in pixels and decided to download it and turn it into a cool video clip. You might be asking, how to do that? Well, open your Filmora 15 and prepare your photo. Next step to do is to go to Stock Media and select AI Media. Under this, you will find a tab named Video Inspiration. You will see plenty of AI video inspirations here to apply in your photo and turn it into a cool clip. To create the same thing I did, search for Powerful Car Transformation. Here, you will see many inspirations. Just select what suits your photo. I like this one since the setting that I have for the photo from Pexels is also nighttime, and this one fits well. Just add your photo here and adjust if necessary. Click Submit. Once done, you can now hit Generate and wait for a few minutes for your photo to turn into a video from the inspiration. You can check the progress here, or do other editing tasks first while waiting. Sometimes it takes around 5 minutes to generate. Once done, you may see the generated video in My Files tab under AI Media. Add it to your timeline to watch the results. You see, what I generated was only the video clip that lasts for 5 seconds. No sound effects, no video extension. If you want to extend it further, you may go here in Video Extend, drag and drop your video clip here, then add a prompt on how to extend your video. I'll just simply ask AI to continue the scene and pan the camera towards left. Once done, you may now hit Generate and again, wait for a few moments for your video extension to be generated. Once done, you may see the generated video in My Files tab under AI Media. So, this started as a simple image and turned into a car transforming into a robot. Then video is further extended. If you want, you may also add sound effects to make it cooler like what I did in this final results.